Short video specifically about purchasing single-family homes and using them as rental investments. See, single-family homes that are used as rental property have distinct advantages over other types of investments. An investor can borrow 75 to 80% at a fixed interest rate on an appreciating asset with definite tax advantages and reasonable control. Financing alone is attractive compared to some investments that require 50% cash and have floating rates at Prime Plus for 1 or 2 years. Home prices have adjusted 30 to 40% around the country. Mortgage rates are incredibly low and rents have risen in the past 2 years due to more demand and a shorter supply. Indicators like these point to a strong and sustained rental market. Consider you bought a $125,000 home for cash and would rent it for $1,250 per month. With the $15,000 income and allowing for property taxes, insurance, and maintenance, it is still reasonable to expect a $10,000 net income. You'd have an 8% return on investment without considering tax savings or future appreciation compared with a 5-year CD paying less than 1.5% and a 10-year treasury yield at 1.65%. The reasonable control has a lot of appeal to many investors who find the volatility of the stock market unacceptable and don't want to take risks associated with some of the alternative investments. Please contact me if you'd like to know more about available opportunities. Thanks for watching and have a great day.